Welcome to the video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make the best fudgy brownies you've ever had. Let's get started. Right here is everything you're going to need. First, we start off by melting 1 stick, which is half a cup of unsalted butter. Once this is done, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar to a bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon of either coconut or vegetable oil. I used coconut. Then you're going to take your butter, which should still be hot, and whisk that into the coconut and sugar mixture. Continue the whisk until all of the ingredients are combined together. This is what it should look like. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, followed by 2 eggs. Make sure this mixture is not too hot before the eggs go in. We're not trying to make sweet scrambled eggs here. Once the eggs are in, we're going to whisk this for about a minute until everything is well combined together, ending up with something that looks just like this. Now in another bowl, we're going to sift together our dry ingredients, which are half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These ingredients are then sifted into their own bowl, and then added into the bowl of wet ingredients. Once everything has been brought together, we are now going to fold in the dry ingredients.
What does that mean?
That is going to look something like this. You're going to take a spatula and scrape either along the side or bottom of the bowl, pull it through, and twist and fold over the top. We are doing this to introduce as little air as possible to the batter to make sure that these brownies stay fudgy. Because if you want these to be like cake, you might as well just make a chocolate cake, which I might just do in the future. So please subscribe. Once everything is finally combined together, this is exactly what it's going to look like, which means that it's now ready to go into the oven. You're going to need an 8 by 8 inch baking pan lined with a sheet of parchment paper that has been greased. Then we're going to go ahead and pour our batter out into the pan and spread it out until it looks like this. Finally, you can add whatever toppings you like on top of the brownies. This can be chocolate chips, nuts, whatever you like. I went with chocolate chips. No measurement here, just whatever you feel is right. And I felt like this much today. Now these are ready to go into the oven, which has been set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I put them on the top shelf so they're not too close to the heat, and let them bake for 20 minutes. I would check them even a few minutes early just in case your oven runs hotter. Alright, they are ready and looking good. You'll know because they won't jiggle if you move them, and if you stick a toothpick into the center, it'll come out dry. I know you're probably ready to dig in right now, but you're gonna have to let them cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that they're cool, they're ready to be removed from the pan and cut into whatever size that we like. I went with 9 pieces here, but you can go bigger or smaller depending on how many people you're serving. And here we are. Now let's take a look at one. They're fully cooked but nice and moist looking still. You tell me that these don't look amazing. All that's left now is to have a taste. I really hope you give these a try. They were so good. Please subscribe if you're interested in seeing more cooking and cocktail recipes in the future. You could also watch another one of my videos right now. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you again.